Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. When NO and NO2 are mixed, the following equilibrium are readily obtained. 2NO2 is in equilibrium with N2O4, the Kp is 6.8, and NO plus NO2 is in equilibrium with N2O3. In an experiment when NO and NO2 are mixed in the ratio of 1:2, the final total pressure was 5.05 atm and the partial pressure of N2O4 was 1.7 atm. Calculate the equilibrium partial pressure of NO. To solve this question, the key concept that you should be aware of is equilibrium pressure, or the abbreviation is Kp. Now let's analyze both the equilibriums one by one. So the first equilibrium is as follows: 2NO2 in equilibrium with N2O4. For this, if you write the expression of Kp, it will be equal to pressure of N2O4 upon pressure of NO2 raised to the power of its stoichiometry. And this value of Kp is given as 6.48. Also, the partial pressure of NO2 of N2O4 is given as 1.7 atm. Now, if you put the value of partial pressure of N2O4 in this equation, you can calculate the partial pressure of NO2 0.5 atm. Also, now let's see the second equilibrium. So, in the second equilibrium, the equation given is NO plus NO2 is in equilibrium with N2O3. For this, the given information is that the ratio of NO and NO2 is 1:2. That means if the pressure of NO is P, then the pressure of NO2 is 2P, and this will be 0 when we are talking at time t is equal to 0. Now, at time t is equal to equilibrium, the equation was NO plus NO2 in equilibrium with N2O3, and at equilibrium, if suppose the amount of N2O3 formed is X, then the amount of NO left will be P minus X, and for NO2 it will be 2P minus X, also minus 3.4. Why 3.4? Because 3.4 is the pressure of NO2 from first equilibrium. From first equilibrium, the pressure of N2O4 was given 1.7, and according to stoichiometry, the pressure of NO2 will be double of it, that is 3.4. And since both these equilibria are happening simultaneously, that means you will have to deduct the amount of NO2 which is used in the first equilibria. Now, it is said that we calculated at t is equal to equilibrium, since we calculated the pressure of NO2 from the first equilibrium, which came out to be 0.5, it can be used over here also, while this is X. Now, P total for second equilibrium is given to be 5.05. This amounts to pressure of NO plus pressure of NO2 plus N2O3, and we also have N2O4 in the same container. So 5.05 is equal to pressure of NO, that is P minus X, plus NO2, that is 0.5, plus N2O3, that is X, and N2O4 is 1.7, which is given. So with the help of this equation, we can calculate the value of P, which comes out to be 2.85 atm. Now we've got the value of P. We can easily put the value of P in the pressure of NO2 from second equilibria, which was 2P minus X minus 3.4, which we had calculated to be equal to 0.5 from the first equilibrium. तो अगर हम इसमें वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 2 into 2.85 minus X minus 3.4 is equal to 0.5, जो X की वैल्यू निकल कर आती है that is 1.80 atm. Hence, अगर हम इस X की वैल्यू को प्रेशर ऑफ NO में पुट कर दें, which is P minus X, तो ये आएगा 2.85 minus 1.80, which is equal to 1.05 atm. Therefore, the partial pressure of NO at equilibrium is 1.05.